Famous Kumawood actress Emelia Brobbey could not hold back her tears after seeing her friend Gloria Sarfo, who has lost her mother a few weeks ago. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Kindly subscribe if you are new here and hit the bell icon for new updates. Thank you. Emelia, who was one of the few stars to grace Gloria's late mother's 1 week observation, was filmed consoling and whispering some words of comfort to her friend. Tears began to roll down Emelia's Brobbey's cheeks as the two hugged tightly. This made Gloria compelled to also weep. Few celebrities in the likes of Matankoma, Kasim Sinari, Kobirana, Beverly Afaglo, Kekeli Akosua, Stacey Amontin, and Joint 77 were present to mourn with Gloria Sarfo at her mother's 1 week memorial service. The modest ceremony, which was held in Dome, Accra, was witnessed by family members, friends, and sympathizers, all alike. However, the final funeral rite for Mrs. Ofila Yeboah will be held at Osem in the Eastern region from April 26 to 28. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching and kindly subscribe if you are new here. I'm out.